Ever spent hours applying for payment processors only to find out they don't accept supplement businesses? It's one of the most common and costly mistakes nutraceutical sellers make. Here's a quick manual check. Look for processors that explicitly mention nutraceuticals or high risk supplements on their site. If you don't see those terms, it usually means they are general processors, the kind that often decline or freeze supplement accounts later on. This quick scan helps you filter faster, but it doesn't guarantee approval, especially if the processor uses an aggregator model like Stripe or PayPal. This quick manual search gives you a surface level idea of who might work with supplement businesses, but it doesn't tell you which processors actually support high risk accounts long term. That's where EasyPay Direct makes all the difference. They specialize in high risk industries like supplements and nutraceuticals, and every account goes through full underwriting before approval. That means they review your products, model, and sales flow upfront, so you don't waste time applying to processors that will reject you later. And here is a helpful note from their FAQs. Nutraceutical merchant accounts are designed for businesses selling dietary supplements, vitamins, and similar health products. EasyPay Direct builds that in from day one, so your approvals are faster and far more stable. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out if you want to see which processors actually approve supplement businesses and how to get started. Finding the right processor should not feel like guesswork. With EasyPay Direct, you will know exactly where your supplement business stands. No rejections, no surprises. The sign up link is right there in the description when you are ready.